In today's video, we're going to be cash stuffing our blue binder, which is going towards Christmas savings. And we're going to do a quick update on our August of 2025 community challenge from my girl Yenzi at Budgeting My Debts. If this is content you're interested in, please stay tuned. Alrighty, guys, I was actually recording. Don't know what happened. I looked up and it was off. So I thought I was recording. I filled this here in. I went from Sunday the 3rd to Thursday the 7th. It's a total of $19. I have put the money back here. So this is actually done, guys. And I did mention that this is from Yenzi at Budgeting My Debts. She did this here in July. For those of you who did not follow, July of 2025, we all saved $111. Now, you do not have to do the exact amount that she rolls and she saves. It's just a fun way to do it that way. If you're interested in this challenge, go over to her Ko-Fi page, print it out, and feel free to join us. I don't necessarily do it daily like she does, but I go in every few days and I, watch her videos, jot down the amount that she wrote for that day, and then I do it when I post the video. Again, I'm not good for doing it every single day because I forget. However, I am pretty much caught up. I did not do today, but I will be watching her video. I'll jot it down, and you guys will probably see this in a day or two. Now, as you can see, we've got quite a few days here. That's not the norm, guys. I've had lots going on still with my gas leak, guys. It is still not repaired. As some of you may know, this happened late Thursday night into Friday morning. It's been ongoing. Tears have been shed. Patience has been tested. And I've prayed, guys. Lord, please, please don't let me lose my patience. Let me just, it's going to work out. And I know it's going to work out. We're very, very close to a resolution. I had a problem with the contractors that were sent out. Either they didn't handle this type of work, or they just didn't care enough to answer any of my calls, or my insurance company or warranty company either. So I don't even know why they're still a contractor with them, or if they'll even continue to be a contractor with them. All I know is that they were not stepping foot in my house. So we had to cancel that work order, submit another one. We're not going to get into it, not in full detail. If anybody wants a full story, I'll be happy to share it. But for those of you who don't want to hear it, I don't want to bore you guys in this video. So yes, I am still having the issue. And that's one of the reasons why I wasn't on here, because I figured, why cash stuff these binders and save money in, my different little binders and do challenges if I may eventually have to pull some of that money out. So I was trying to hold off, but I said, you know what, this here is my happy place. Let me get on here, record a video, and relax. Because, guys, it's been, like I said, my patience has been tested. So here I am, getting ready to put some money in here. I believe we have $100. Let me count it real quick. 20, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 75, 80, 100. Okay, we do have $100. This money here, we're going to leave it there because most of that money is going to go towards our community challenge, or if we just so happen to need a couple extra dollars to complete anything here. So let's see where we're at. I think today, I don't think I'm going to do this one here. As far as Naughty's book, let me see. So we have 20 there. This one's completed. All right. I think we're going to do 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20 here, so that we can complete this one here. And then we're going to move on to, I don't know. Like I said, guys, this little break kind of messed me up because I'm not sure what I had planned with this money, or which challenges I actually was thinking of completing. So let me just try and figure this out. And then, like I said, this whole binder, pretty much the entire binder, is going to be going towards our Christmas savings. So it really doesn't matter which challenges I finish first and which ones I finish later on, because ultimately My goal is to be done hopefully by the end of November, beginning of December. I wish I could, you know, start shopping now, which I probably could because I do have some money actually saved. But, you know, I'd rather just save most of my money and then start shopping. Which, you know what? The only ones I need to shop for are the younger kids, because the older grands, I'm just giving them all money. So, and that's what I usually do. That's what I've been doing the last few years, because they prefer to get a couple dollars instead of me going out and buying them stuff. So I think I might, if I find good sales, I might start shopping early, because some of y'all have already started, and kudos to y'all. I remember when I used to start shopping June or July, and you know, I would be done September, October. I was done all my Christmas shopping. But the reason I don't do that now, guys, and I'm just keeping it real, I'm the type of person that if I buy you something, I get so excited I end up telling you. So, and Ayana will tell you, because I did that for her with the baby shower. So I don't know if I'm going to be able to do that. Let me get this here. And let's pull out this here. Make your own sugar. Be your own daddy. Let's see how much. So we've got $60 here, and I'm going to put that into my little pouch that is not in front of me right now. So, oops. What did I do, guys? Get it together, girl. Get it together. All right. So, $60. Let me just write that down here. And this one is completed. The next one we'll be working on, and this one needs a lot for the birthday. And then we just need a few more. Again, everything here is going towards Christmas, so it doesn't matter what it says. It's just a fun way to save. And this here was from Noreli's budget, and I've enjoyed working on this book. Alrighty, so here we are with Lisa Grateful Me, one of her challenges. Let's see. I'm going to use this die. I usually like using my colorful one, but we're going to use this one. I'm going to move that out the way. Let's roll a few times here. Or maybe just once. All right, that's going to be $6 going into this one. You know what? Let's do it again. $2. And maybe we'll go one more time. $2 again. I'm going to put a 5 and color in a 1, so we have an even $10. I know that's cheating, but you know what? We're going to do what we need to do to make it work. All right, so let's move over here. How are you guys all doing? Let me know how your week went. I hope you guys have had a great week. I hope it was better than mine. But you know what? I'm not going to complain, because we are alive. We are doing well. We got to spend some time with baby girl, and that was enjoyable. So I'm not going to complain too much. I'm just going to, you know, hope and pray that I get this phone call tonight or tomorrow, and that this work is done either over the weekend or early next week. Okay, so we've got a 4, guys. That is going to be green. This is a different shade, but that's okay. And that is $4. Let's roll again. 1 that is red. Let me use this one here. Oh, my baby's crying. Azalea's been with us a few days, and that was a good distraction with everything that was going on. So we've enjoyed having her. But I hear her, and she's a little fussy. 3, that is yellow. Okay, we're going to finish this one today. Well, not the whole thing, but we're going to finish this part here. So that's $3. 1, 2, 3. And one more row, guys. 6. 6 is purple. And we've got to add $6, so not bad at all. Alrighty, this one here is also from Lisa Gray for me, and I'm really enjoying doing this one here. And I actually purchased some more challenges from her, and one of them is similar to this one. All right, let's move right along. Let's see what we're doing next. You know what? I'm going to finish this bottom row, and then I want to do a few scratch offs. So this one here is $2, $4, $5, $6. Okay, this one's from Nita at the Almost Organized Owl, and this is her save $225 in 2025. She also has a save $2,025 in 2025, but your girl was not ready for that. Maybe next year, we'll see. All right, so this $6 is going to go into Nita's challenge right here. Okay. I do have a few dollars in my high yield savings account or Christmas bucket because I do have some prop money in here for the money that I transferred over. All right, so now we're going to do some scratch and saves. Let's hope we don't end up with an IOU. We don't have a whole lot of money left, but let's go. We are going to start at the very top and roll to see where we're going. 1. All right, we didn't go too far. Let me see where my scratcher is. All right, so let's see. Oh, $20. Okay, Salisa. This is from Salisa at Beautifully Me and You. If you're not currently subscribed to her channel or any of the channels that I mentioned, guys, make sure you go check them out. All right, so $20 here, guys. I think I'm going to stop with her. I'm not going to do any more. Now, all my scratch off money goes in one envelope, so I'm going to leave that here. We're going to start with this row. Let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4. So that's 6, which we have. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Whoa, $9. Okay, let's roll again. We're going to work on this row. 1, 2, 3, 7. Okay, we got some big bills here, huh? Now, I think this is from 1 to 10. This is from Cajun Girl Creates. And the largest number is a 10. So far, so good. We have quite a few ones. So let's 1, 2, 1. We already did that one. So we skip that one and come here. $5. Not bad. One, 2, 3, 4, 5. $3 left. You know what? You're going to go over here because this is the only one that I can color a 3 in without having an IOU, going over, rolling the die, or anything of that nature. So let me put the $3 into this one here. And then we're going to get all this money here together, and we're going to put it into our scratch-off envelope. Not bad, not bad at all. So, guys, again, I hope you're all having a great, or have had a great week. I can't believe the week is over. And, you know, you have some wonderful plans for the weekend. Right now, I have no plans because, guys, I don't know when these people are going to come out. And, you know, we're just trying to make it do what it do. We're trying to stay busy at home and just enjoy, you know, enjoy each other's company. We've been staying busy with the baby, so that's helped us a lot. And I just can't wait to stop ordering out. I did say, you know, I have an air fryer, I have a microwave, but it's hard when you're struggling, you know, emotionally, because this is really getting to you. And every day I'm like, well, we'll throw something in the air fryer, or and then I'm like, you know what, guys, what do you want? We'll just order out. And, you know, the kids are loving it. So I'm like, I don't know. Their grandfather thankfully helped out. Aaliyah actually called him one day and said she wanted to order lunch. So he sent her money. And then the next day, I guess once he found out what was going on, he ended up sending us a few dollars and we got some lunch on him. So that was nice and it helped out a little. Thankfully, it's just me and the kids. And Azalea's a baby, so she doesn't need anything but her formula. So, guys, that's all I have for you today. Now, this one here for the month of August will be $40. I will be cash stuffing this on during my next pay period, which will be on the 15th, which is right around the corner. And then we will be, you know, trying to finish a few more of these. Right now for Noreli's book, we have 1, 2, 3, 4 that I'm trying to finish, but the Christmas, we actually have 2 Christmas challenges, so it's 5 that we're going to be working on, and hopefully we'll get them done again sooner than later, because I want to make sure that we have enough money for the holidays, especially since we have a new little addition this year. And God knows she's only a few months old. She doesn't need a whole lot of anything, but she's a new baby. It's for her first Christmas. We definitely want to make it special for her. Alrighty, guys, you all take care, stay safe, stay blessed, guys, and you know, never take anything for granted, as I found out this week. But again, remember to always thank God for everything you have and not take the small things for granted, because when you don't have them, guys, it's rough. It really is. Alrighty, guys, take care, and we will be talking soon.